Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to use Haiper AI. So first thing that you will do, type in the URL haiper.ai and this will be their homepage. And from here guys, as you can see, you will have two options. You can animate your image where you can upload an image and it will automatically animate, or you can just simply create a video with text. So I'm gonna go for this one and click on try for free. And now from here, just simply select the subject in your video. So let's say I'm gonna go for dragon. And now I'm gonna go for fighting. And from here, just simply select the scene of your video. So let's say I'm gonna go for the galactic outpost. And from here, just simply select your favorite style. And now from here, I'm gonna go for cyberpunk, and now click on submit over here. And now if you want to input your own, you can just simply click on over here guys to provide your own prompt. So from here, just simply provide your own prompt and just be more specific on how your video will turn out. And if you click on template, it will go back to the thing that we did earlier. And now just simply click on submit. And now from here, just simply click on log in to see your masterpiece. And from here, you can continue with Google, Discord, or manually provide your email over here. So I'm going to continue with my Google and sign in into my account. Now, once you are signed in, just simply wait for it to load up and they will process your video for you. And from here, as you can see, we should be able to create the video. Now, when we click on over here, the X at the top right, and from here, just simply click on the profile on the left side of the screen over here, and you can have your creation over here. And you can just simply click on it, and from here, you can just simply download it over here. And as you can see, just simply select a location and save. And from there, you should be able to download it. And there you go. Now, when you go to the homepage of Haiper AI, so you can have text to image, text to video, image to video, extend duration, video enhancer, and video to video. So pretty much it will be just the same process. Just simply provide the necessary information, and from there you should be able to do it. And down below, as you can see, you can choose a template over here, so you will have multiple options as well that Haiper AI have to offer. And that's simply about it. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching guys. See ya.